Windows 10 is unquestionably awesome with its experimental yet innovative features. Along with exciting and new Windows 10 features also come a bunch of bugs that have troubled lots of people including me. Solving these bugs on your own can be a problem as most users are not familiar with Windows 10 troubleshooting guides. Hence, today we are going to talk about the 10 most common problems in Windows 10 along with their solutions. Come on folks, let's solve problems. I can't install updates anymore in Windows 10 after Windows Update got crashed one day due to some issue like internet or power failure or system crash. So how can I solve this problem? The problem occurs because Windows Update files get corrupted due to the issue. Hence, removing the corrupted files solves the issues, which can be done easily by following these steps. So you have to press Windows plus R keys to open the run dialog. And type C/Windows/software distribution. Yes. And /download. Then after you finish, you have to hit OK or you have to hit enter. Then a file explorer gets open. So you will see all these files. So what you have to do is you have to select all of them, because these are the corrupted files while the Windows was updating or maybe corrupted. So you have to select all of them and you have to delete them. So it will ask you permission to delete, yes or no. So you have to click yes. I'm not deleting because mine is not corrupted already, it's already working probably, but in your issue you have to delete all of them and you have to restart your computer after that. Yes, you have to restart your computer and this issue will be solved. I am unable to install or update Metro apps through Windows Store after upgrading my system to Windows 10. The new operating system is more or less useless for me in this way, so please help me. Okay, the problem arises due to the excessive cache files that clutter your system, causing various issues including this one. This problem could be solved by cleaning those cached files, and which can be done easily by following these steps. So as we done before, you have to press Windows key plus R and the run open dialog will open. You have to type WS reset.exe and you have to click OK. This screen will pop up and it will appear and it will stay for a long time, maybe 5 to 3 minutes. If this window will not close, you have to close by manually. Then after you close, you have to see Windows Store open thereafter. If Windows Store does not open, you have to open it by manually. And after that, you will see your store or your application it gets updated and working probably. I can't find the Openwith option in the context menu after right-clicking any file in the Windows 10. I am not sure it disappeared recently or was not there from right after the upgradation to Windows 10, but I would like to get Openwith back. Problem is an infrequent case, but it's very probably happiness due to some missing or corrupted system files or configuration settings after upgrading to Windows 10. So this issue can be fixed by following these steps. You have to open Notepad, then you have to type the following code or the following text into Notepad. You have to copy exactly and you will find also in the description down below of this video. You have to copy it the way I wrote in there. Let me make it bigger so you can see. Then after that you have to save this file by going save as, not save. I said save as. Then you have to write Openwith. You have to name this file as Openwith. And Openwith.which. And you have to choose all. Make it the type as all. Then you have to save any place you want. I'm going to save on my desktop. Then yes, you can see there. I have to close this one. So after that you have to double click or right click this one. I'm going to right click it, or I'm going to double click it, and you'll see message confirm message which saying, are you going to continue or do you want to continue? So in your case you have to click yes, but mine it's already working, and why I'm corrupting my one, so I'm going to hit yes, and here you will see your Openwith working. Let me show you. Let me right click to one of these files, and you see Openwith is right there, and it's working. Probably mine is already working, and you also see this one, it's already on the top. Yes, I am unable to use automatic login facility using the new Microsoft account. I really wish I don't have to type the password every time to log in into Windows 10. And automatically using the Microsoft account comes disabled in Windows 10. And to enable this feature, follow these steps. First, hit Windows plus R keys to open the run dialog. Then you have to type down netplwiz and then press OK. After that, in the opened window, you have to click the account for which you want to enable automatic login, and also you have to uncheck or untick the option which say users must enter password and username. Then after that you have to click OK. In another window it will ask you the password. You have to write the password and confirm it, and you have to OK. Then after that you can automatically log in your Windows and it will work. I have noticed that tethering mobile data to Windows 10 via Wi-Fi hotspot depletes the mobile data quickly than ever. I found that Windows 10's automatic updates was one of the main sources, and even various Metro apps use lots of data. So how can I disable the problem happens in Windows 10 because of this automatic updates and other apps eating up data even if you are connected to a hotspot. To fix this issue, you can set a tethered hotspot as method. So first you have to connect to a tethered connection, or Wi-Fi hotspot. Then after that you have to go and open settings and network and internet. Then in the right side you have to choose Wi-Fi, then advanced settings in your computer, but in my issue it's manage known networks. Then go directly to the Wi-Fi that's connected to your device and go down. You will see set method connection. Then you have to toggle it on, make it on, and done. I don't find Wi-Fi sense as useful as advertised, and I think it concerns privacy. I want to disable Wi-Fi sense on my Windows 10 PC and prevent anyone, even my friends and relatives, to automatically connect to Wi-Fi networks. Wi-Fi sense encrypts and shares your Wi-Fi network's passwords with your specific contact list so that they can automatically connect to your wireless networks. Though helpful, it risks privacy, and to disable Wi-Fi sense, first you have to reconnect to a tethered device or a hotspot. Then you have to go and open settings, and in settings you have to go network and share. Then you have to go also Wi-Fi on the left side. Then you will see an option which is saying hotspot 2.0 network, and there is an option which says let me use online sign up to get connected. and you have to disable this one in order to not connect it automatically. And if you switch off, it will not connect you to the list and your privacy will be protected. So I would recommend to make this off so you cannot connect any Wi-Fi or any network that you don't need and which is unnecessary. After upgrading to Windows 10, I can't open Start menu or Start screen. Everything else is working super fine, but Start menu or Start screen simply doesn't work even if pressing the Windows button on keyboard or Start button on the Windows taskbar. Probably happens due to improper installation of system files. In order to resolve this problem, please kindly or carefully follow these steps. So first, open the run dialog by pressing Windows plus R, then type down sfc space and slash, then scan now without any space, then click OK, and after that a blank command prompt will open and close in Flash, and after that restart the PC to check if it helped. No, you have to restart. If this solution will not work for you, I will do in another way. So you have to type down cmd or command line, then you have to run as administrator, and after that on cmd you have to type down the following, and you will find this code under this video description. Once you enter this code, click OK, and I'm not going to click it OK because it will corrupt my start menu, so I don't want that. But in your case you have to click OK and also restart the PC. After the scan completes, you will see scan, then after that scan completed, restart your PC. Yes, and your start menu will work. After upgrading my PC to Windows 10, the operating system seems to install several drivers automatically without notifying about the driver packages. I want to disable this feature and prevent Windows from downloading drivers automatically. To solve this issue, you need to disable this feature by following these steps. The first step is you have to press Windows key and plus E, and Explorer will open. Then you have to right click on this PC and then you have to go to the properties. After that you have to go to advanced system settings, and then you have to go hardware tab, and then you have to click device installation settings. Another window will pop up, so you have to choose no instead of yes, and it will say do you want to automatically download manufacturer's apps and custom icons available for your device. So I already chose yes as recommended, but I will choose no, then I will say save changes, and then you have to hit OK and everything will go out.